Hello, this video is only for people who need 3D parts for printing or, for example, for a scene to assemble objects in Nomad Sculpt. Okay, this is a website, egooscad.com, and I give an example. Here you on the left side there is a menu you can choose from, and you can search here for your products you need. And for example, I choose now this one. Yeah, let's take this one and this. And at the right side is a download button. Here is the download settings. Here you can choose your format, file format, and for which system you need it, 2D or 3D. I choose OBJ format, and here press on the right side. Here's a download button, and at the bottom appears a message in the download center here. The object. It takes a few seconds only. Then you can download this file. Here, press on the download icon and save it. And in Nomad Sculpt, here, as drag and drop the file or import it, and here you got your object. I choose for the material. In the settings, I turn the smooth shading off, and here's the solo view, and this is a wireframe you get. And here you can download parts for free, no registration. It's free. Okay, some people can use it, I think. Nice to know. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.